How to fix FPS drops while gaming in Windows 10 is what I'm going to show you in this video. I will show you two fixes that will help you with your FPS drops while playing games on your machine. Follow the steps I'm taking and your FPS drops will be gone by the end of the video. So let's start by clicking your Windows button and searching for Regedit. So you get to the Registry Editor. Now right click that and run as administrator. There we go. Now that you're here, you've opened up the registry editor. The first fix for your FPS drops while gaming would be to go to HKey current user, open up this folder by clicking the arrow. Now all these options open up. You want to navigate down to system and open that up. Now the second one you see is game config store. Just left click that. Now you see all these options. Now in order to fix your FPS drops, you want to see game DVR enabled. Now left click that, now right click and click modify at the top. Now this window opens up. For me, the value data says 0. If this says 1 for you, change it to from 1, change it to 0, hit OK, and then you'll have to restart your computer by clicking your Windows button, hovering over here, clicking this, and then restart. Now, if this hasn't completely fixed your FPS drops while gaming, there's a second way and a second fix to all these things. Also in this registry editor, you can get there the same way. Now you need to go to HKey local machine though, open this one up. Now under that, you go to system, open that up. No, that's wrong, you go to software. Now under software, you want to scroll down to see Microsoft. There you go, there's Microsoft. Open Microsoft up by clicking the arrow. Now you want to scroll down until you see Policy Manager. There you go, Policy Manager. Open this one up. And under Policy Manager, you want to open up Default, which opens up a bunch more folders. And in here, you want to navigate to Application Management. Open this one up. And under Application Management, you want to go to Allow Game DVR. Click the folder, left click, and now you see Value at the bottom. Left click that, right click, Modify. There you go. For me, it now says 1. And in order to fix your FPS drops while gaming, you want to change this to 0. Click OK, and then restart your PC, and your problems with FPS drops while gaming in Windows 10 should be solved. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.